What's up, guys? It's your girl infod.monae coming at you guys with another video. So today I decided to try this DIY Kim K inspired outfit that I saw a few other YouTubers doing. So if you want to see this video, then please stay tuned.
Full of vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Real ass nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is, this some 5-star dick. She a big gold freak, it's a must.
Like you didn't think I was gonna make it for real though. 25. First, I'm gonna start off by showing you the items that I am going to use to make the outfit. So get from Walmart, and this blanket is by Better Home Gardens. It is a king size blanket, and I have it in the color. The color is Ivy, and the blanket is a velvet plush blanket. The blanket was about $25.72. I'll put the price of the blanket down in the description box. So I picked this up from my local Walmart. There's not a link for you to be able to order it online. You have to go in store to pick it up. And I am going to make the Kim K inspired outfit. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because a girl, like, at this point, what are you doing if you haven't already subscribed? We are lit over here, okay? Anyways, so I picked up that blanket, and then I got some scissors, some new scissors. I got some pins because I will be hand sewing this outfit. I also picked up some needles from my local store, and I also picked up some thread. So I'm going to use the white thread, being that my blanket is Ivy. I'm not going to use the black thread. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to take you to the next step that I'll be doing, which is cutting out my... So first we're going to start off by starting with the top part of the outfit. I'm using a crop top to use for my top, and you're going to leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inches on each side of the top because the material does not have any stretch. Next, you'll see me begin to cut my pants, and I am doing the same exact thing for the pants. I'm leaving about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And then you'll see me flip the pants, and I'm going to make sure that the pants that I cut out is perfect. So that's what you see me doing now. I'm kind of like doing a rough draft measured. Next, we're going to work on the robe, and I'm just laying the robe down to get a rough estimate about how much material I'm going to use. Again, be sure to leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inches for your fabric, and you'll see me begin to fold my sleeves in. I'm folding my sleeves in because I have to make sleeves for the robe, so I'm going to use that little dip in the fabric to make sure that I cut my sleeves the correct way. Again, I am leaving that 1 inch to 1.5 inches off of the sides so that when I begin to sew, the seams will be right. You want to just continue to cut the pieces out for your robe, and you're going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. Please keep in mind that you will need 2 of these same exact pieces that I'm cutting out, because you're going to need one for the back part of your robe, and then you'll need one for the front part of your robe. Your second piece, you will cut down the middle to make the front part of the robe, and I am just cutting out the arm part that I will be attaching my sleeves to. So just continue to watch this video and follow along. So now that I have cut out the first piece to my robe, I'm going to go over and I'm going to cut a second piece to the robe identical to the very first piece, so that I'll have the front part of my robe. And next, this is what the second piece will look like. I've already cut it down the middle. And next, I am working on the sleeve. So you'll see me extend the fabric just a little bit for my sleeve because I do want them long. And I'm cutting out the piece. So I used the robe that I already had to get an estimate of what I wanted my arm to be like. And now you will see me point out where you will be sewing on the top. And you'll sew right here. And then you'll sew along the sides. Please keep in mind that you will need 2 pieces to complete your top. So I have my 2 pieces sewn together on one side, and I'm just showing you the seams. So next, I am sewing up the other side of the top So here is what the final product of the top looks like. I've sewed the two pieces together at the top and on the sides. So this is what it looks like, and I am so excited. So next I am showing you the pieces that you need to complete all of the items. So these are two pieces to make up one of the sleeves for my robe, and I'm showing you about how it's going to look on my arm, and I'm going to measure it out. So that's about how long I want my sleeve on my robes to be. You'll need 4 pieces. So these are the 4 pieces that you'll need, 2 for the left and 2 for. I also measured out a tie that will go around my robe. So I'm just measuring this and putting this around my waist. Next, these are my pieces for my pants. So you will need 4 pieces to complete your pair of pants. You will need 2 for one leg and 2 for the other leg. So now I'm just showing you what those pieces look like. And that's 1, 2. And then here is the other 2 pieces for the pants. So all in total, you will need 4 pieces to make your completed pair of pants. Also be sure to leave some extra rope for. So this is the pieces to make up the robe. So here is the one big piece, and this will be the back side of the robe. Then you will have the 2 pieces for the front part of the robe, and this is the second piece that I cut it down the middle in half. So I'm going to show you what those pieces should be laid out and look like on. So this is one side of the robe, and this is the other side of the robe. So you see the dip in the sleeve in the arm. That is where I'm going to attach my sleeves to, and I extended the robe down and made it long. Next, this is the final product. So I wanted to show you guys what the robe and all of the pieces look like on together. I absolutely love this outfit. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Let me know how you like this outfit, and let me know if you'll try it. Thanks for watching. Bye.